Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Wi-Fi password on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if your iPhone is already connected to a particular Wi-Fi and the password is changed, now you want to change the Wi-Fi password, which is the old Wi-Fi password, and use the new Wi-Fi password, then this is what you need to do. Go ahead and open the settings app, locate and click on Wi-Fi. Then here you have access to different Wi-Fi your phone is connected to or that are available. So once done on Wi-Fi, you should have access to all the Wi-Fi networks. And once you are connected to the old Wi-Fi, now to change the Wi-Fi password, locate and click on the information icon on the Wi-Fi whose password you want to change. Then go ahead and click on Forget this network. Once you click on Forget this network, you see what that says Forget Wi-Fi network. Click on Forget. Then again, you can turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi. Once you do that, you should see all available Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and click on the new Wi-Fi you want to connect to. Then type in the Wi-Fi password. And click on Go to join the Wi-Fi network. If the password is correct, then you'll be able to change the Wi-Fi password on your iPhone, and that's it. So that's exactly how to change Wi-Fi password on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.